words are really precious on a homepage and particularly on a hero section. I would get rid of the name being here because it's already here. And you could just say, we connect underserved youth, veterans, and women to life-changing careers in multifamily maintenance and the skilled trades. Now, I have a question about the word connects means, right? Do I have to have a background in trades and you're connecting me to a job, right? What specifically is the connection? Right? So putting that type of word, I call them bridge words. A lot of websites use bridge words. And so when you use a bridge word, it's not clear what you're actually offering, right? So what do you do in a line? And so as I scroll down, I can get more of an answer to that question through the mentorship and apprenticeship program. But it might just be saying, get the mentorship support you need to start a career. We believe your background doesn't separate you from having this type of opportunity, right? So just changing some text here would help. And then start my career, it's just not a clear call to action, right? So, maybe I'm just ready to learn more and not quite start my career. So one thing I recommend, and you can see I kind of did this on Chris's site, but having a secondary smaller call to action can be really helpful. And particularly if the secondary call to action requires less commitment than the other one. So instead of start my career, it's like learn more as a secondary option. Right? That can be helpful to have. And then a lot of people use get involved. I personally don't like the get involved call to action because I also don't know what it really means. But as I scroll this navigation bar, it doesn't come back until I start scrolling up again, right? So that's, to me, one thing I would change. As I'm scrolling down, the navigation bar is not sticky. But when it does come back, it has just the get involved option, right? So if I click get involved here, I'll give it a second to load. It just goes to the contact page, right? So this is not a very clear call to action because if I'm ready to get involved, I'm ready to join the program, I'm ready to donate, I'm ready to take some form of action, and you take me just to a contact page, I don't really know what to do with that. So having a page instead that a get involved page that actually has, here's 3 ways you can get involved. You can donate, you can volunteer, you can apply for a leadership position, whatever the options are to get involved, have those all on a page with a separate clear path for each one. Because I would bet that there's a lot of people who go, oh, I'm ready to get involved. And then if I click it there, not in the one that's scrolling, it takes me down to this section, right? So this section gives me some options to get involved, but it doesn't give me the option of joining, like the mentorship program or the apprenticeship program. So your call to action is really only for people who are ready to give or become a partner. But your header image here is talking about people who are joining the program. So it's starting their career. So these are 2 different audiences is my point, right? One is the people who are actually going to participate in the program. The other one is the people who are going to support the program. So those are 2 different audiences and they should have 2 different call to actions. So maybe a button here would be learn about starting a career and the other one would be support our organization.